I'm Jamie Corbett from Xerox, here on the floor at our Gil Hatch Center for Customer Innovation. FreeFlow Core keeps your press operating at peak efficiency so you can maximize productivity and unleash more profit from tight margins. With Core, you can inspect, optimize, impose files, and more with powerful automation so every job performs better when it gets to the press. Here's a real-world example of the kind of job that can slow you down for hours. This took 45 minutes to rip, and the customer could not figure out why. The job was submitted to FreeFlow Core for pre-flight and print optimization. FreeFlow Core identified a variety of problems and automatically fixed them. First, there were too many hidden layers in the file. FreeFlow Core automatically removed unnecessary layers and flattened the objects. FreeFlow Core discovered images that exceeded the required resolution for the target output device and automatically downsampled them. To eliminate the most common errors in the file, FreeFlow Core optimized the file to the PDF X1A standard. Any one of these issues could have caused a problem. Together, they present challenges for even the most robust print controller and significantly reduce the chances that the file will be printed as intended. Let's see how it works. I'm just going to drop the file into FreeFlow Core. And just a couple of minutes later, it's completely optimized. The resulting file now just takes 45 seconds versus 45 minutes to rip, all error-free. No need to send it back to the pre-press operator or designer to fix. With FreeFlow Core, no designer, no problem, optimizing files to print. Here's another example of a challenge you might encounter in one form or another every day. Converting files to print in a format that's different from how they are designed. For example, you receive a PDF designed for offset. It includes the color bars and slugs for centering the images on the printing plate. You now need to retarget the job to print as a signature booklet with bleed. Complicated? Not with FreeFlow Core. FreeFlow Core can calculate the imposition based on the binding edge that will perfectly impose the job as a signature booklet. No need to redesign the layout or manually remove all the white space in the gutter. No need to store two versions of the document. FreeFlow Core is dynamically generating the output, so you don't need to store the offset version. No designer? No problem, for offset to digital with FreeFlow Core. Even if the file was designed to be printed digitally, how do you get from one-up PDFs to producing a signature booklet? FreeFlow Core can take the file and create an optimized, print-ready version by automatically imposing, removing the gutter in the center of the page, adding fold marks, adding trim and bleed marks, laying it out on the press sheet, which could include multiple up for smaller booklets, and adding signature shift if needed based on the number of pages. So you can literally go from this to this, all in one workflow without complex and time-consuming pre-production, all in a matter of seconds. Once done, you can save the workflow and use it over and over again for any size booklet. No designer, no problem, for booklet, signature, and position with FreeFlow Core. Those were just two examples. I'm sure you can think of others. See more about solving everyday problems so you can get work on your press faster and in better shape with FreeFlow Core. Talk to your Xerox rep today or visit xerox.com/automate for more information.